Please write a Blender script that will add... Isn't that complicated? It even gives you code descriptions. Go to Blender, paste the code. What? The title of this video was generated by AI. The thumbnail idea for this video was also generated by AI. A few days ago, an OpenAI chat has been released to the public, and what it does is simply mind-blowing. It can give you a life advice, draft an email to your client, suggest a YouTube title or video idea, or, as I want to show you in this video, generate fully executable code. Since I'm a 3D artist, I will be using Blender to test the scripts, and you can download Blender totally for free if you want to replicate what I'm doing in the video. And to start working with the AI, simply go to the chat.openai.com and create a free account. Okay, so let's start with something I guess relatively simple. Please write a Blender script that will add 100 cubes, place them randomly. Isn't that complicated? Place and rotate them randomly in a radius of 20 units. Okay, let's see if it even knows what Blender is. Here's a script that you can use in Blender to add 100 cubes and place and rotate them randomly in a radius of 20 units. Okay, so it even gives you code descriptions, so you know what's happening. Wow. Let's copy it, go to Blender, and here in the scripting tab, we hit new, paste the code, okay, and let's run it. What? Dude, this can't be real. Let's do it again. Please write that will add 20 cubes, place them in a circle. Here is a script that will add 20 cubes. That's a long script. Okay, let's copy it. Let's go back to Blender. I'm gonna remove everything here. I'm gonna remove all the previous cubes, paste the new code. How is that possible, man? Let's try it again. Please write a Blender script that will add 20 cubes. Make all face the center. Here's the script. No. Okay, let's copy the code. And again, the same. Wow, what's this? Okay, this is really interesting, man. Why did it do it? So I did some testing, and it's really fascinating. When you give the chat exactly the same prompt, it will not always generate the same exact code as before. So I was trying to get a scenario where it places the cubes in a sphere to see if it's able to work on 3 dimensions, and I was actually able to get this code, but now when I'm trying to replicate it for this video, it's not happening. Okay, so here's the script I was able to get before. This script was still causing a small error like this. You can see here I've pasted the error back to the chat, and it gave me the updated script. And when I run it, you can see this is the result that we have. I've put 0 effort to this code. It's purely generated by the AI, and this is mind-blowing. So if you want to play around and try it yourself, just go to the openai.com and create a free account. You can also use Blender as a script testing platform. It's also free. Just download it from blender.org. And if you want to know how to create Blender scripts without knowing how to code, there is a video popping up on the screen somewhere. I did it some time ago. You can find all links in the video description. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in another one. Bye bye.